back to my YouTube channel. As I promised you, today I want to do a quick and updated skincare routine. Today we'll be on our way to Athens for Lavi's bachelorette party and we are getting ready together. I'm also going to show you which are the products I've been using for a while now, and I also wanted to have this updated routine in English for you too. So let's get it started. I guess you girls know by now that I have a quite dry skin. I had some acne problems a few months ago, which I managed to resolve meanwhile, and this is how my skin looks right now with no foundation, no makeup, no nothing whatsoever. So I'm going to show you what I use to treat my skin. We have several products over here. First thing first, in the morning in the shower I'm going to start using my photo brush. This is the Luna 2 along with the new microfoam cleanser. So I have been talking about it on Instagram ever since it launched. It is a very good cleanser. It will give you a super matte skin. So if you do have an oily complexion, this is going to help you a lot to deal with that. However, after using it, I'm going to also need my everyday moisturizing cream, which is my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So let's just jump into it. So right now I'm just using my basic Luna program, which is about a minute, and the cleanser will get my skin really clean and ready for the everyday routine. Now, since we're going to Athens, I'm not going to have too much makeup. I'm just going to do my eyebrows and maybe a bit of mascara, but skincare is really important. By the way, what do you guys think about my pink hair? So here we go, we're almost finished with the Luna. As I told you, this cleansing microfoam is going to really mattify my skin, so the very next step is using my daily Obagi treatment, which I got from Dr. Elena Martin, and the next one will be the Clinique Dramatically Moisturizing Lotion, dramatically different. So the very next thing I'm going to use is Daily Defense Serum. This is part of an extended treatment from Obagi. This is a treatment pack I got from my dermatologist, esthetician in Bucharest, Dr. Elena Martin. So the very next thing I'm going to use is a Moisturizing Lotion Plus from Clinique. This is something I've been using for a few years now, and I'm super happy with it as an hydration moisturizing lotion. Also added right now the cartridge for fatigue, which helps enhance the skin glow and energize the skin. This is the second day I'm using it. We do have a separate review on this on YouTube in the beauty series, so make sure you check that out on YouTube. The next thing I'm using is this non-greasy quick drying sunscreen with a sheer matte finish, again from Obagi. This is offering a broad spectrum protection against the UVA and UVB rays, and it does leave your skin matte. It does absorb super quick, it's not greasy, it's water and perspiration resistant, and it does deliver a superior protection during outdoor activities. So it is a sunscreen, a cream that I'm going to use, a sunscreen shield that I'm going to use on a daily basis. This cream also has some anti-redness properties, which is amazing because I do have some redness in my cheeks all the time, and not a good redness, trust me. Overall, it's super important to use sunscreen protection, and the fact that this cream also gives me like a matte finish, and with the smart tone technology ends up, you know, just adjusting to your skin tone, the color of your complexion. That is just amazing. So with this being said, this is my main skincare routine. This is what I will use on a daily basis. There is a separate thing I have to show you guys for tanning. and this is something I've been using for a lot of time, and something I trust and I really want to recommend you guys. And this is the Vita Liberata Invisi Foam Tan. So this is something I'm going to use also on my face. This is in between a foam and a tanning water. This is how the foam looks. This is their light slash medium tan. You're going to find this in Sephora and also on their Vita Liberata site. So I'm usually going to use it with a tanning mitt along the face and along the body, whatever I needed. Right now I'm not going to use it, but I felt like I needed to tell you guys about this amazing product, which I use for, you know, just getting a bit of color in my cheeks or on my body whenever I feel like I need to do that. So this has been my updated skincare routine. I'm just going to quickly show you the things that I'm going to take with me to Athens, because we need to hush the airport right now. Regarding the skincare, of course, I'm taking my Daily Power Defense from Zenobaji. This is daily treatment that targets fine lines and helps tighten the skin. And you know, I've just noticed an overall enhancement in my complexion and the way my skin looks and the way my skin feels. Whenever I feel like I have like acne problems, I'm going to go to this one, which is the Triple Heal Acne Solution 23 hours. So it is an anti-acne cream from Plush Bio. I'm going to talk separately about Plush Bio in another beauty episode, because I think they've helped me a lot when I was struggling with some, you know, I don't know, adult acne, I guess. And I really want to tell you about their products. This is something I would use on certain spots whenever needed, but I didn't need it right now, so I didn't use it. So yeah, we have the Daily Power Defense, we have the Smart Tone Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, 50 SPF, so this is very important when going, you know, wherever, it doesn't even matter, I just use it every day. Skincare wise, this is what I'm going to pack. Also for skincare, I'm going to pack my Foreo. This is the device, this is my black device, I love it. And I'm also going to pack the mini version. This is a 20ml version of the micro cleansing foam from Foreo. This is enough for a few days in Athens, and it's perfect because it is travel sized, and you can find them in Douglas. You can also find them online on the Foreo site, whatever. I got it from Douglas. This is something I really recommend when traveling all around the globe, because you don't want to carry too much stuff with you. Something else I'm going to take with me is the exfoliating polish. This is something, again, from my Zenobaji kit. This is something I'm using like maybe twice a week, once a week, it depends on how my skin is feeling. Is a dip cup or exfoliator. We're going to talk separately about it. You just have to gently massage a small amount into your skin, and you're going to be just, you know, amazed by the results. It is a bit harsh, but it does exfoliate the skin really good, and it helps with you know, the texture, post acne marks, and so on. I just started using the whole package in whatever Zenobaji means right now, so I'm going to update you pretty soon on that. So here's my travel bag. This is what I'm usually going to pack while I'm away, just a few days. Also have my Clinique ID Moisturizing Lotion, dramatically different moisturizing lotion. I just adore that cream and I can't do without it. So with this being said, I'm off to Athens. This has been my beauty routine. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed doing this with me in English, and I'll see you pretty soon with new videos on the YouTube channel. Let me know what you guys would like to see next in the beauty series, and don't forget, we are starting to work on the fashion series also in English, so let me know which subjects might interest you. We also have some plans with some things we want to shoot, so yeah, stay tuned, kisses, and have a good week.